Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
So today we will do revision on the chapter rural development. I hope you have prepared a lot of questions for the discussion. So we'll start with, first we'll start with the discussion, then a few questions are there with me. We'll discuss that. Okay. Karthik, we'll start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. First question. All of you can type the answers in the chat box. Okay.
Who once said that the real progress of India did not mean simply the growth and expansion of industrial urban centers, but mainly the development of villages?
Okay. What is the answer? Is there any option?
Ma'am, I prepared fill in the blanks.
Okay, fine. So one answer I got, two answers I got. Remaining, we have 12 members. So I expect 12 answers from you. Okay, Tomlin. Amalraj, Shubham, Hanna. I expect everyone to type the answer. Grishma, okay. Sneha, typed. Okay, correct. Okay. Hanna, can you tell the answer?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi. Correct, right? Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question.
Ma'am, me itself?
Yeah. We'll have some 5-6 questions. Then we'll go to another person.
Okay, ma'am. When was NABARD set up?
Write the answers in the chat box. Year. Okay. Only one answer I got. Okay. Aishwarya, Aditya, Sneha. Okay. Only few are answering. What about others? I want more. More answers I want. Okay, correct. Next. Okay, what's the answer?
1982.
82. Yes. Next question.
Dash was a harbinger of major changes in the credit system as it led to the diversification of the portfolio of rural credit towards production-oriented lending.
Okay. One answer. Once more, can you repeat the question?
Yes, ma'am. Dash was a harbinger of major changes in the credit system as it led to the diversification of the portfolio of rural credit towards production-oriented lending.
I got only 3 answers. All others? Correct. Correct. Five answers I got. Remaining. Femina, Ashish, Atul, type the answers fast. Sneha, what's the answer?
Green Revolution.
Karthik, one more question.
Dash have emerged to fill the gap in the formal credit system because the formal credit delivery mechanism has not only proven inadequate, but has also not been fully integrated into overall rural, social, and community development.
One answer I got. Okay. Tomlin. Aishwarya, Sneha, Grishma, Anna, remaining all. Okay, Vasil, correct. Aishwarya, what's answer?
SHG.
SHG or self-help group. Atul, correct. Okay, remaining. Next, Tomlin, start.
Ma'am, Dash has helped in the empowerment of women.
Dash helped in the empowerment of women, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Type the answers. Dash helped in the empowerment of women. Shubham, right answer. Correct. Elvina, type the answer. Why only four or five wants to participate in this or what? Everyone, I want everyone to write. Yes, Atul, correct. Atul, tell the answer.
Ma'am, self-help group.
Okay, next question.
Dash is a process that involves assembling, storage, processing, transportation, packaging, grading, and distribution of different agricultural commodities across the country.
Type the answer. Okay, correct. Alvina, Aishwarya, Aditya, all correct. Karthik, correct. Sneha, what's the answer?
Agricultural marketing.
Okay. Tomlin.
Ma'am, Dash helps in realizing fair prices for farmers' products.
Dash helps in realizing fair prices for farmers' product. Okay. Only two answers I got. Okay. Once more, can you tell the question? Dash helps in realizing
Fair prices for farmers.
fair prices for farmers. What about others? Nobody is responding to this question. Sharath?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Basil, what about you? Okay, all are finding it difficult. So I feel, Tomlin, what is the answer?
Ma'am, cooperative marketing.
Yeah, you have typed the answer, but once more, I want you to repeat that question. I mean, dash you have given. So
Ma'am.
just read that. Yes.
Ma'am, dash is realizing.
No, you can read that sentence.
Ma'am, cooperative market helps in realizing fair prices for farmers' products.
Okay, so this is one area you might have not seen that, so keep that in your mind. Okay, next question, Tomlin.
Ma'am, most of the agricultural employment activities are concentrated in the dash season.
Most of the, once more.
Ma'am, most of the agricultural employment activities are concentrated in dash season.
Okay, you are asking the season. Okay. In which season? Most of the agricultural activities are there. Karthik, correct? Okay, correct. They have given related to season. Yes, in one area. Just see that. What will be the answer? Aparna, correct? Amal Raj? Aparna, what is answer?
Ma'am, Kharif season.
Okay, Kharif season. Tomlin, next. Busily preparing now, okay? Right?
No, ma'am.
Okay. One more.
I don't get anything.
Okay, you have to get fast because I gave you 1 day for preparing. Huh?
No, ma'am, I was not the last class, so I was not knowing.
Okay. So you should have asked what happened in the class.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, Sneha. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. How much do the inland sources contribute to the total fish production in India? Option A, 64%, 36%, 46%, 63%.
What's the answer type? Okay, Kartik, Aishwarya, Aparna, Anila. Oh, yes. Basil, Hanna. Type the answers in the chat box. Okay, that's correct. Aparna, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 64%.
64. Amal Raj, correct. Okay, next question.
The distribution of poultry in India 2012 is A, 28%, B, 58%, C, 24%, D, 16%.
Once more percentage, can you read? Yes.
Yes, sure, ma'am. 28%, 58%, 24%, 16%.
Okay, Atul, correct. Kartik, correct. Now few more answers. Let it come fast. Irfan, are you not entering any answer? Sharath?
Yes, ma'am.
Enter the answers in the chat box. It should be to me, okay, not to everyone. Okay, Sneha, answer?
58%.
58%. Okay, next question.
Full form of TANWA, Tanva. Options: Telangana Women in Agriculture, Tripura Women in Agriculture, Tamil Nadu Women in Agriculture, none of the above.
Okay, so here one answer I got. Option number you can put. Okay, correct. 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 Henna, correct. Basil, correct. Okay, answer. Sneha.
Tamil
Push.
Nadu Women in Agriculture.
Sharath, correct. Okay, Tamil Nadu women in agriculture. Next one.
Between 1951 to 2014, milk production in the country has increased by option A 6 times, option B 10 times, option C 50 times, option D 8 times.
I'm getting different answers. Only 3 answers I got. Okay. So here 2 different answers mainly has come. Oh no, 3. I think all the options will come now. Okay, Sneha.
8 times.
8 times. So here 8 times also I saw, 6 times also I saw, and 10 times also. Okay. Next. One more.
Okay. White revolution is associated with horticulture, fisheries, animal husbandry, dairy.
Once more.
White revolution is associated with horticulture, fisheries, animal husbandry, dairy.
Dairy. Okay, what's the answer? Option. Option. You can put that option number. Correct. Correct. Anila, Aishwarya, Irfan, correct. Tomlin, correct. Atul, correct. Aditya, correct. Karthik, correct. Sneha, answer?
Dairy.
Dairy. Okay. Next, Hannah, what about you? Questions?
Yes, ma'am. More than 10% of goods produced in farms are wasted due to lack of dash.
Can you tell once more? Hannah?
More than 10% of goods produced in farms are wasted due to lack of dash.
Okay, lack of dash. Okay, answers are there. Okay, correct. Aditya, correct. Karthik, correct. Aishwarya, correct. Sneha, correct. Hannah, what's the answer?
Storage.
Okay, next one.
The alternate marketing channels in Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan are known as?
The alternate, okay. It's known as what? Once more, can you repeat? You're asking about the name of the market, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aishwarya, correct. Karthik, correct. Only 2 answers. Almost. Okay, Aditya. Aparna, correct. Anila, correct. Elvina, correct. Sneha, correct. Ashish, are you there? Sharath, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Then just post the answers. Try. Okay, Hannah, what's the answer?
Apni Mandi.
Apni Mandi. Okay, next.
The growth rate of agricultural sector was dashed during 1991-2012.
Growth rate of agriculture sector. No, she's asking the percentage, right? Hannah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, correct. Aditya, Aishwarya, Anila, Karthik, correct. Sneha, correct. Exact percentage they have given, actually, I feel. Is it 3% given or point is given?
3%.
3%. Okay. Next. Atul, what about you? Did you prepare questions? Atul?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you prepare questions?
No, ma'am. I
Why?
only prepared 2 questions.
Okay, can you just try for 2 more questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we are waiting. Okay, Elvina.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, from your side.
Dash is a project initiated in Tamil Nadu to train women in largest agricultural techniques.
Okay. Yes, Aishwarya correct, Karthik correct, Aparna correct, Sharat correct. Remaining just now, I think that was asked in another terms, another way, right? So you can just think of, yes, Grishma correct. Once more, just read that question, Elvina.
Dash is a project initiated in Tamil Nadu to train women in largest agricultural techniques.
Yeah. To train women in largest agricultural technique that is done in Tamil Nadu. Yeah, Amal Raj correct. Sneha correct. So this was asked before in another words. Okay, the answer is Elvina.
Tamil Nadu women in agriculture.
Tanva. Okay, you can tell in short also, no problem. Then next one.
Dash sector contributes nearly 1/3 of the value of agriculture output and 6% of GDP of India.
Once more.
Dash sector contributes nearly 1/3 of the value of agriculture output and 6% of GDP of India.
Okay. Okay, Grishma, Karthik, Shwarya. Remaining. Six percentage of GDP. Which sector contributes? 6% of GDP. Only few know the answer. Yes, what's the answer, Elvina?
Horticulture.
Horticulture. Next question.
Dash has emerged as a world of leader in producing a variety of fruits like mangoes,
Producing?
bananas. Producing a variety of fruits like mangoes, bananas, coconuts, and the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables.
Okay, that's obvious. All these things are produced where? Only two answers. Yes, Amalraj correct, Aparna correct, Karthik, Aishwarya correct, Sneha correct. Okay, the answer is
India.
Next. Aditya correct. Next question.
Dash is a system whereby all the farmers can pool their milk produced according to different grading based on quality, and the same is processed and marketed to urban centers through cooperatives. Karthik, Aishwarya. Only two answers I got. First. Grishma, okay, correct. Nobody else. Only three answers I got. Remaining. Okay, Aditya.
Funding agency for
Atul, you can switch on your video. First, I did not see you before. Now today, just you for a second you on your video. That time only I'm seeing you. Okay. 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 Yes. Only 3-4 answers I got. Fast. Which institution is considered as the apex one? Okay, Grishma correct, Elvina correct, Hanna correct, Irfan correct, Amal correct. Aditya correct. Okay, answer. Atul.
ma'am, answer is NABARD.
NABARD. Next one.
Rural development is a dash term. Option A, comprehensive. Option D, selective. Option C, descriptive. Option D, none of these.
Rural development is? Okay. Aishwarya, Aditya. I think whatever I sent from there only you people are taking questions. Aparna, correct. Few answers only I got. First. Answer.
Ma'am, answer is comprehensive.
Same. Next one.
When was the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development set up? Option A, 1962. Option B, 1972. Option C, 1982. Option D, 1992.
Okay, this question was already asked. Both are correct. Correct. Aishwarya, Sneha, Karthik, Shubham, correct. Hanna, correct. Malvina, correct. Okay, answer.
Ma'am, answer is 1982.
1982. Next.
Dash is an initiative taken up by the government to improve marketing system. Option A, intermediary the dairies,
Intermediaries.
intermediaries. Option B, wholesale markets.
Huh.
Option C, regulated markets. Option D, none of these.
Okay. Once more, you can you repeat the question? Initiative taken by the government.
My
Okay.
I mean, dash is an initiative taken up by the government to improve marketing system.
To improve the marketing system. Options. You will listen to options.
Option A, intermediaries.
Intermediaries.
Option B, wholesale markets. Option C, regulated markets. Option D, none of these.
None of these. What is the answer? See, it is initiative taken by government for marketing. So which one will come? It's not necessary that you search for it a lot, I feel. No. Sneha. Only one answer, one correct answer I got. Anju, correct. Amal Raj, correct.
Ma'am, can you say options one more time?
Once more, options. Options only. Intermediaries, then
Options are intermediaries, wholesale markets, regulated markets, and none of these.
None of these. Okay. Okay, so Aishwarya, Atul, tell the answer. All are finding it difficult.
My answer is regulated markets.
Regulated market. Yes, regulated markets. Next one.
I only.
Okay, fine. Aparna.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, DASH essentially focuses on actions for the development of areas that are lagging behind in the overall development of the village economy.
Clear for everyone? Question? It was a long sentence, that's why. Once more.
DASH essentially focuses on actions for the development of areas that are lagging behind in the overall development of the village economy.
Rural development.
Atul, you're lazy to type in the chat box?
Sorry.
So the answer is leaked, right? Next.
In which year did India adopt its social banking and multi-agency approach?
Social banking and multi-agency approach. Okay. Karthik, only one person, one answer I got. Okay, Aditya. Hanna. Anila. Aishwarya. Yes. Okay, answer Aparna.
Ma'am,
1969.
1969.
Okay, next question.
What is the need for introducing social banking and multi-agency approach?
What is the need for introducing? Hmm. Okay, correct. Aditya, I mean, Aishwarya, Karthik. Only two answers. For providing what? You just put it in one word. That's enough. Okay, Aditya, correct. Sneha. More answers? Only 4 answers I got. Okay, answer.
To adequately meet the needs of rural credit.
Rural credit. To get the or to provide rural credit. Next.
Dash have emerged to fill the gap in the formal credit system.
Dash have emerged.
To fill the gap in the formal credit system.
So already we discussed this. So I expect everyone to answer then. Already the answers we told before. Yes. Correct. Correct. Okay, next question. Aparna, answer.
Ma'am, as it is.
Yes, correct. Next question.
Money lenders and traders exploited small and marginal farmers and landless laborers by lending them dash interest rates.
Dash interest rate. That's what you're asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aishwarya, correct. Yes, correct. Aditya, Karthik, Anila, Hanna, Reshma. All of you should know that money lenders, how they charge interest. Aparna.
Ma'am, high interest rate.
High interest rate. Yes.
More than dash % of goods produced in farm are wasted due to lack of storage.
Lack of storage. You said the answer?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
More than dash percentage. Okay, okay. Okay, Aditya answer. Yeah. Grishma correct. Karthik correct. More than, okay, Aman correct. Hanna correct. You have to add percentage with that, okay? It's not the number alone. Sharath, what about you? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
NABARD was set up in dash year 1982.
This we asked, right? Any other question?
Yes, ma'am. And another question. Full form of NABARD.
Okay.
National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Native Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. National Bank for Rural Development.
Okay. Few answers I got. Option numbers it's given. Correct. Wait. More. Let it be more. NABARD full form you should know. Which option number you write otherwise? Is it A, B, C, D, like that you write? Sharath?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Atul, correct. Aditya, correct. I think all were typing the full form. Okay. What's the answer?
A.
A, tell the answer.
National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development.
Okay, second one. Next question.
Livestock sector alone
Hmm.
provides alternate livelihood options to over dash million small and marginal farmers. Option A 70 million, option B 60 million,
Hmm.
option B 65 million,
Hmm.
option B 100 million.
Hmm. Yes. Few more answers. Only 3 answers I got. Remaining? Yes, Elvina, correct. Grishma, correct. Okay, Sharath. Answer?
Yes, ma'am. 70 million.
70 million. Okay. Next question.
Short form of Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana.
Aha.
Option A SAGY, option B SEGY, option C SAGI, option D SAJY.
Okay, okay. So, answers. Once more, can you repeat? It's very easy. Short form he is asking, not the full form.
Yes, ma'am. SAGI, SEGY, SEJI, SAGY.
Okay. Two answers SAGY.
No, ma'am. SEGY.
Okay. Okay, say the answer.
SAGY.
Okay. Next. Okay, it's time now. Aditya?
Present, ma'am.
Anida? Anju? Aparna?
Present, ma'am.
Atul? Basil? Femina? Hanna? Karthik?
Present, ma'am.
Irfan?
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra? Sharath?
Yes, ma'am.
Sharath, next period, we'll start with your seminar, then we'll have the test, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come on time. Shubham? Tomlin? Hadi?
Present, ma'am.
Aishwarya?
Present, ma'am.
Amal? Amal Raj?
Present, ma'am.
Ashish? Elvina?
Present, ma'am.
Grishma?
Present.
Sneha?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then bye everyone. Thank you. When is revision test? Today. Who is asking that?
Ma'am,
Aditya?
next Friday, no?
No, today. Today.
I thought it's on next Friday.
No, today. Next Friday, I'll give another test. Okay. Okay, then bye everyone. Thank you.